back to my channel, and today guys I'm gonna be doing a video where I show you guys how I wash my hair. I don't really know what kind of hair type that I have. I've been told like when I was like young that I have 4C hair, coarse hair, fine hair. It's like which one do I have? But today you guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash my hair. My hair is a little bit damaged and giving I don't take care of it. I'll say that. I have some days where I'm like, okay, I'm going to start taking care of my hair. Like I start washing my hair and then I start taking care of it like for, I'll give it a good 3 days and then I just get lazy and I just say, that's it, I don't really care. Then it goes back into repeating the cycle where I care about it and I don't care about it and I don't. Before we get into this video, I need you guys to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys so much, and let's get right into the video. Alright you guys, so before we dive into washing our hair, I'm going to go ahead and take off my bonnet and then start taking out these braids that I've just left in from my last style. So yeah, enjoy this clip of me taking out my braids. Alright, so now that we've taken all of our braids out, we're going to go ahead and start wetting our hair just so our hair will be a little bit more easier to manage while we're washing our hair. So yeah. Alright you guys, so here I'm going to be dividing my hair into 2 sections. This is normally how I do my hair. I divide my hair into 2 sections and then I start working on one side of my hair. So yeah. So next I'm going to go ahead and start detangling my hair first. I do this because it makes my life so much easier. It's so much easier when I go in with the shampoo and then I condition and then I detangle afterward. It just makes my life so much easier. Alright you guys, so now I'm going to go in with some Shea Moisture shampoo. This shampoo is just so cleansing and moisturizing at the same time. I just love it. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my scalp scratcher. This thing, when I tell y'all, it gets the job done. Like, this thing removes dead skin, it removes product buildup, it releases tension and stress. It does the job, honestly. So, yeah. Alright y'all, so y'all know if I put the Shea Moisture shampoo, then I gotta put the conditioner in there. It's just only right. Y'all, so now I'm finna go in and detangle my hair actually again while the conditioner is still in there. I like to do this just because it makes, like, when I get done washing my hair and I'm getting ready to blow dry my hair, it just makes that process just a little bit more easier. So yeah. Alright y'all, so now I'm gonna start washing that conditioner out of my hair and start putting in my deep conditioner. You will see me do that later, so yeah, I'll let you guys get back into the video. Apply the deep conditioner to one side. I'm gonna flat twist my hair into a bun and then clamp it, and then do the same thing that I did to this side to the other side. So everything that I did to the other side, I'm gonna do to this side. So enjoy this sped up part of me doing everything I just showed you guys before. one. I just found this and I needed a deep conditioner, so I was like, hey, let's use this. But anyways, after I deep condition, I put it in these. It's either both these or in a bun like this. But anyways, after I do that, I go ahead and shower. I wash this out in the shower, and then I go ahead and blow dry. So I will see you guys.